Hi, I'm Roger Feierstein. Thanks for reading Create in a Flash, a leader's recipe for breakthrough innovation. If the book is a recipe, this video is your cooking lesson on selecting ideas with highlighting. You'll find the highlighting technique on page 2 of the Generate Ideas handout. Here's where we're at in the creative problem-solving process. We're at generating ideas and we are converging. So here's where we're at in the creative problem-solving process. We're still in the Generate Ideas stage of the process, but now we're converging. And it looks like we've generated about 134 ideas between stick-em-up brainstorming or brainstorming with Post-its and brain writing. And I took a note of that. We did that in about 11 minutes. So about 134 ideas in about 11 minutes. Great work, guys. So tomorrow I'd like you to do this. I'd like you to come up just like what we did the last time, and I'd like you to mark the hits. And this time these are the ideas that are interesting, intriguing, solves the problem, sparkles at you, useful. Mark as many hits as you'd like, and I'll give you some dots to help you to do that. Just don't use the yellow ones. There we go. Once again, hits are interesting, intriguing, useful, solves the problem, sparkle at you. And Tamara's going to mark as many hits as she likes. The colors of the dots don't matter. All right, Tamara, you've marked the hits. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to cluster those hits into themes. So if you would you just move those would you just move those hits together into themes that relate to each other? So once again, we're going to cluster those ideas into themes. So the ideas that have hits on them, just move them into a cluster. So the question is, which of these ideas relate to each other? How do we do? We get you some stuff?
Oh my goodness, this is amazing.
Okay, so we have some ideas marked here. We have some clusters. First thing we're going to do is we're going to label these clusters, but this time we're going to label these clusters with a verb phrase. So you've got host video, start an online club, interview celebrities, have gatherings via social media. So what does this represent? And start with a verb phrase, if you would.
Develop online platform to highlight successes of other women.
Beautiful, good, excellent. What does this represent? Which is use travels as shared adventures, create your own podcast, start a podcast, live stream, constantly be sharing with your friends. What does that represent? Beginning with a verb.
Plan weekly live stream content.
So plan weekly live stream content. Excellent, good. So we've got 8 clusters and we have 36 individual ideas. In the next video, we're going to select these ideas even further and help to build a plan for implementation.